Don't change your fuel pump until you see this video. Fuses, relays, filters, and current all checked out, so nothing was left to do except to change the fuel pump, until I stumbled on an easy fix that I would never have thought to try. I was able to reproduce this problem for the following video. A fuel pump pressure gauge is hooked up, and also a voltmeter which shows 12¼ volts. This car has always started with no problems until I quit driving it for a while. When I later went to start it, it cranked over fast just like it always did, but it would not start. I diagnosed it to be a bad fuel pump after checking everything else, including I even hot wired directly to the fuel pump. I had to put a battery charger on it because I left the key on overnight and ran the battery down, and then to my surprise, while the car was still charging, I decided to try one last time to start the car. And it started right up, again and again. And later, without the charger even hooked up. My conclusion is that if it is not driven every day, the battery does not stay strong enough to work the fuel pump. A brand new battery might solve the problem, but the fuel pump connector, the armature, or the contact points may also be going bad. You will be able to drive it for a little longer in any case. Just make sure that you do not get stranded somewhere without a jump box or at least some jumper cables. At least you will know that the problem is there for future reference. Please write your comments down below and any questions you might have, and go ahead and subscribe, because I have a lot of good stuff coming up about smog equipment problems and how to fix them by going through all the smog components on the car.